In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the Not Linked section in Squarespace. If you're building or managing a Squarespace website, understanding the Not Linked section is crucial. It allows you to create live pages that aren't visible in your main navigation menus, giving you more control over what visitors see while still keeping those pages accessible. Whether you're setting up hidden landing pages, thank you pages, or any other content that you want to keep out of your menus, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. If you're new to Squarespace, don't forget you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along with me. All right, let's dive in. First, we're going to locate the Not Linked section in your Squarespace dashboard. Start by logging into your Squarespace account, and once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a range of options that make up your site's backend. Click on the Pages panel. This is where all of your website's pages are organized now. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Not Linked. This is the area where any pages that are live but not displayed in your site's main navigation menu, like the header or footer, are stored. It's a handy tool for keeping pages functional while maintaining a clean and focused menu for your visitors. Next, let's talk about how to add a page to the Not Linked section. To do this, hover your mouse over the Not Linked heading. You'll notice a small plus button appear. Go ahead and click that. From here, Squarespace will give you several options for the type of page you can create. You can choose from a blank page or templates for about, contact, blog, store, or even a portfolio page. Think about what you need this page to function as, and select the option that best suits your purpose. Once you've made your selection, give your page a name. Naming the page is important because it helps keep everything organized within the Not Linked section, and it ensures that you can access the page easily via its direct URL. Now that you've created a Not Linked page, let's go over how to share or link to it. First, open the page you just created and copy its URL directly from your browser's address bar. Since Not Linked pages don't automatically show up in your site's menus, this URL is what you'll use to share the page with others, or link to it manually. For example, you can paste the URL into a button block, a call to action banner, or any other linking element on your site. This is especially useful for things like thank you pages that visitors see after submitting a form. By using the direct URL, you maintain control over where and how your visitors access the page without cluttering your overall site navigation. All right, moving on. Let's discuss how to move pages between the Not Linked section and your main navigation. Sometimes, you might want to temporarily hide a page from your menus without unpublishing it entirely. To do this, find the page in your main navigation section. Click and drag the page down to the Not Linked section. Once it's there, the page will no longer appear in your site's header or footer, but it will still be live and accessible via direct link. On the flip side, if you want to make a Not Linked page visible in your menus, simply drag it from the Not Linked section back up to main navigation. This makes it easy for visitors to find the page through your site's menus. Now, let's talk about editing a Not Linked page. To make changes, start by clicking on the title of the Not Linked page you want to edit. This will open the page in Squarespace's Fluid Engine editor, where you can update or modify its content. You have full control here, just like with any other page on your site. Add or adjust text, images, buttons, videos, forms, or any other elements you need. You can also tweak the layout, grid style, background, or padding for the page. If you're looking to make the page full width or enable specific design settings, you can toggle those options as well. The only difference with Not Linked pages is that they won't show up in your site's menus, which means you can experiment with their design without worrying about affecting your main navigation. And there you have it. Now you know how to find, create, link, move, and edit pages in the Not Linked section of your Squarespace website. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your site's navigation streamlined while still offering full functionality for pages you want to share selectively. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using this feature on your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.